Medokete mana kae chendo maratil nyakorom gajuang machegni he pautuke. Club mar Gor Mahia wuok amodhi nono gi club mar Tusker FC e tuke adhula league maduong' pacho ka mano bagia lap Manyayo National Stadium. Klepe ariyo gi mane dwaro points adek e tugo ma kawuono noyudo ka thuolo mag loyo ne tin mokalo. Point achiel pod keto club mar Tusker thuolo mokwongo e chung' mar Klepe gi points pauchiel kod abich, point achiel mbele club mar Gor Mahia. Tusker FC odong' mana gi tugo e kindgi gi Wazito, Posta Ranger gi Vihiga Bullets, kako galo pod odong' gi Ulinzi, Kakamega Homeboys gi Nairobi City Stars.
That's a football, the way football being played. There's a moment, different moments in football game. You can be up and down, but as far as you are consistent and you are focused on what you are doing, we maintain Gor Mahia, contain them. Second half, they started playing long behind us. I wonder, and I'm surprised. Even Gor Mahia can play long balls. I thought it is Tusker.
Very tight game. You know, both teams play quite different styles of football. You know, as you know, we try and play a bit more Tusker, a bit more direct. But I think both teams showed some really good stuff. You know, I think both coaches will be quite happy with a lot of the game in terms of just what we tried to do. It was a big challenge. You know, I thought we created some chances. A bit unlucky. Austin's had an air shot in the first half. There's been one or two others. You know, again, Austin's broke free. And it's just unfortunate it's in a moment when both Boniface Amodhi and Luasa are both on the same side of the pitch. There was no right winger in the moment.
Jokanyo sekta mag tuke mag chess dwaro